Well guys, welcome to the Salty Strikes Fishing Channel. I'm Chris. That's Lily down there and Lacey up here. And today we are hitting the jetties again. It's a little sloppy out here, but we got sand fleas and we got shrimp. We got our new modified salt donkey jig, and I'll probably throw a fish finder rig out there. But hopefully it calms down a little bit as it should be getting close to slack tide here soon. It's almost high tide right now. But we're gonna give it a go and stick around and check it out. I'm still fishing with this Penn Pursuit III 4000. That's the anti-reverse has been giving me issues. Hopefully it's not too big of a worry today. Is the bail open?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to just pull it all in. Just standing there, it's not gonna swim up on you.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You start reeling it in. There we go, got one. Nope. I think that was a rock. Ah. There we go, got him. Got it that time. Nice little sheep. Gotcha there, buddy. Whoa, little rolly. He's a nice fat sucker. Come on there, buddy. You gotta let go. It's like, no, I'm gonna wind up in the box. This guy is he's like 13 and a half. We'll let him go. We're looking for a little bit bigger today. Did I say 14 and a half? 13 and a half? Whatever. I don't know. I'm really looking for like 15-inch sheepshead today. That kind of size. But if it gets down to the nitty-gritty later, I'll start maybe keep more. Man, missed him twice. Got him. We'll get him, we'll get him. Send him back down. Current's going this way, so I let out some extra line this way and let it just kind of drift towards him. Got him that time. It's a nice one. Oh, come on, let go, buddy. Oh, that one probably keeper. 14 and a half. That one's going in the box. No. Well, you know, after getting bit off quite a few times, we're getting them in. Got another good one. I think I heard something breaking that reel. Oh, there we go. He looks like a keeper. Oh, I almost lost him. Come on, buddy. He's right at 14, we'll keep him. Oh, man. I'm pretty sure this reel's on its last leg, because I think I heard some gears crunching or something. But I want to change up my whole setup. So we'll keep fishing with it until it dies. Got him. Got him that time. Yep. Oh man, I think I am gonna have to switch the setup. That's a good one too. I don't want to lose him. Oh. Oop. Another nice sheepy. There we go. That one is just over 15 inches. Nice. That's what we're looking for. Good size. I don't think I'm gonna risk it anymore. I heard some crunching in here, so we're gonna call it quits with this one and switch it over to my other setup. Got one. Good, another good one. Oh man, just dropped it, and that guy. A little over 14 again. Oh. Got another one. There we go. This is a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for. Let go, buddy. Almost got it out. There we go. This one is 16 and a half. That's what we were looking for. It'd be nice to get a couple more of those. 5. Mike D showed up and his line wasn't down more than less than a minute. It's already hooked up. Mike's hooked up again. Well, I'm almost out of sand fleas. I didn't get too many today. I got 3 dozen, that's it. Got another one, there we go. He's kind of little. Oh man. Whew. Smallest of the day, holy crap. It's a little sheepshead. Wow. Summer's hooked up. Well guys, I'm out of bait, well, out of sand fleas, so I might head inshore and do a little bit of fishing with some shrimp, but I think I'm done out here too. I know. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that Salty Strikes fishing adventure. I had a good time, although I do have to keep it real. I did get sick 3 times. So I had a good time fishing, but my stomach, every once in a while, like I thought it was pretty over the seasickness and stuff, but every once in a while that motion sickness rears its ugly head, and it hit me like a ton of bricks today out the jetties. You know, I threw up once before Mike got there, and I think I threw up once while I got here and there, and another time when I couldn't take it anymore and I just left. I was out of sand fleas, so you know, I had shrimp, but I was just done for the day. And Lily wanted, you know, to go on her island, so I had to let her run around a little bit. But you know, thank you guys for subscribing and all those positive comments. You know, I would have stuck out there a little longer, but it just wasn't happening today. Hope you guys enjoyed that though, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know where that button is. You know, if we put out content every week, if you enjoy our fishing, keep coming back for more. You know, it's getting close, you know, that time of year where the fishing should be getting really good. You know, spring, summer is a great time, so stick around and check it out, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when our new videos come out. So, until we see you next time, bye guys.